discuss about what is cloud gaming. Cloud gaming is a method of playing video games with the help of remote servers, and you won't require any installation, any download in PC on a console or any smartphone devices, and it enables to play whenever client is available. You require only a good internet connection. You can play any games based on cloud games, and it has lower latency, it has high frame rate. Cloud games was launched This technology, cloud gaming, was launched on live company, but they failed due to, in that time in 2010, it doesn't have a good bandwidth, so that's why they failed. Now recently Airtel testing cloud games in 5G internet speed. Xbox and Microsoft released cloud games on Xbox S series and Xbox One console games. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.